How long can chicken be marinated for?
Hello and welcome to the amazing world of cooking. Today we are diving into a common query that every cooking enthusiast comes across. How long can chicken be marinated for? Let's unravel this culinary mystery.
Why marinate chicken?
Marination is a process used to infuse flavors into chicken and to tenderize it. It involves soaking the chicken in a mixture of spices, herbs, and an acidic component like vinegar, lemon juice, or yogurt. The acidity helps break down the protein structure of the chicken, making it more tender and allowing it to absorb flavors better.
What happens if you marinate chicken for too long?
While marinating chicken is a wonderful way to enhance its flavor and tenderness, there's a balance to be struck. Marinating chicken for too long can result in a texture that is too mushy. This happens because the acidic components in the marinade can start to cook the chicken if left for an extended period.
So, how long should you marinate chicken?
For most marinades, 30 minutes to 2 hours is more than sufficient to get the flavor into the chicken. However, if you're marinating chicken for a barbecue, you can leave it for up to 24 hours. But remember, more than that can risk the texture of your chicken and potentially ruin your meal.
Are there any exceptions?
Yes, there are. If your marinade is dairy-based, like a yogurt or buttermilk marinade, you can marinate the chicken for up to 24 to 48 hours. Dairy acts as a tenderizer at a slower pace compared to acidic marinades and does not cook the chicken. Now you know the secret behind marinating chicken. Remember, the key to a successful marinade is balance. Too little time won't infuse enough flavor, and too much time can spoil the texture. So keep an eye on the clock and enjoy the juicy, flavorful chicken that comes out of your kitchen. Happy cooking!